Hi, this is Asher with Conference Tracker Support, and today we'll be going over how to set up your presentation layout on OBS. Now this is part 2 of a video series, so if you haven't watched it yet, please watch part 1. The links will be provided in the description box below. In your main window, you have 4 sections that are of importance. The first one will be your canvas in the middle. The canvas is where you will see what will be displayed in your presentation. You will be able to add, move, and resize all of your content here. Up next, you have your sources section found down below. The sources section allows you to add and manage all of your sources. Your sources can include your webcam, microphone, monitor, applications, images, and so on. Up next, we have the audio mixer. The audio mixer allows you to manage the audio that is being captured by your presentation, such as your microphone. And last, we have the controls section. In the controls section, you can begin and end your streaming and your recording by clicking on these buttons right here. Up next, we will begin adding your sources. Now, we have created a file that you can import into OBS that will help you get started in creating your presentation layout. This file gives you the ability to quickly add your presentation material, microphone, headset audio, and webcam display into OBS. The link to this file will be found in the description box below. Once you have downloaded this file, go to the top toolbar in OBS, click on Scene Collection, and Import. Now you will see a small window before this asking if you want OBS to search for scene collections. You can go ahead and just click no to skip this window, and then you will be at the scene collection importer window. Once you're here, we're just simply going to click on add and find that profile that we just downloaded from the description box. Double click on that profile, click on import, then we will go back to scene collection, and you will see that there is a new option labeled Conference Tracker Profile. Clicking on that, you will see that some sources have been loaded into your OBS program. Now your canvas will still be mainly blank, and that is just because we have to assign these sources into actual equipment in your computer. To get started, we will go down one by one on all of these sources and assign them to your equipment. First up will be your microphone or headset, so simply double click on microphone headset source, and you will see a properties window. Here you can make sure that it is under default, but if you have a specific microphone you can pick, choose that. Press OK, and then you will see this green bar go up and down on your audio mixer. That signifies that your microphone is being picked up. Up next, we have program display and monitor display. Now, these two sources will be used differently depending on your available equipment and preferred presentation style. If you would like to capture an entire monitor, which is recommended if you have a second monitor available in your computer setup, we'll go over to monitor display. Double clicking here will allow you to pick which monitor you would like to capture. In this case, my second monitor is being captured. You can press OK, and then anything that happens in that second monitor will show up on OBS. Right now I'm moving this presentation around in my second monitor, and OBS is capturing it. So no matter how many windows you open on the second monitor, everything will be shown in your presentation. Now let's say that you only have one monitor and you can't really use this. What we can do is simply hide the monitor display by clicking on this little eye icon on OBS. And then we will switch over to program display. Program display allows you to capture just one program. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF file, it will be able to capture that window that's open on your computer. So if I double click on program display, you will see a little drop down menu here that says window. And here you will see a list of all of your open windows. In this case, we can simply choose that PowerPoint we just showed, and then only that window will show. Click OK, and you're back at your canvas. The last source we have here is the webcam source, which is optional. So if you do have a webcam and you want to show it in your presentation, we can double click on the webcam source, and then you will see the properties window. Here you will see the device drop-down menu, which lists all of your available webcam devices. So click the proper one, make sure it's activated, and then you will see a preview of your webcam. Click OK, and you will see that it is also in your canvas. Now that all of your sources have been linked to OBS, you can simply start playing around with the layout. So clicking on any of these, you will see this red box around it. That means that it is active, so you can drag and drop wherever you need it, or you can resize it as well by dragging on the corners. Once you have finished resizing and repositioning your sources in OBS, your presentation layout is now complete. Please join us on our next video so you can find out how to create a streaming session in Conference Tracker and how to link OBS to it. Thanks and have a great day.